Welcome back. This will be the final podcast for this project. So now that we know how to enter notes, rests, and articulations, and also how to set up our page, we need to know how to play everything back. So right here is our playback controls. Now, this right here selects what measure you start playback from. So say we're at 7 up, we want to get all the way back to the beginning, but we don't have to click a million times. Right here, this line right here means start from the beginning. So when you click that, it goes right back to 1. We also have rewind, stop, play, record, fast forward, and go to the end, which is useful if you need to get to measure, 12 or something. So you click, go to the end, and we're already at the end here. And now we're at measure 12 by clicking down twice on there. All right, back to the beginning. Now, there's also a little arrow right here for more options. Now, the big thing that I find in this arrow is the human playback style. It always comes standard to play on standard. But say you want to write a jazz piece. Click there, and you go down to jazz. And now, all the notes are going to be swung. It will be in a jazz style. There's many styles to choose from, such as romantic, marching band, funk, Latin, reggae, samba. So you could pick whatever you'd like there. Also, like I said before, you could change the tempo here. So right now it's set at 96. But say you wanted, maybe 96 is a little too slow, you want it a little faster, you could hold down the up button. Or you could hold down the down button to make it slower. But say, you want it way faster, and this is going to take way too long. I said 96, you want it at 150. So you just type in 150, and it goes there. And now it's going to be a lot faster when you play it back. So I'm just going to put it back to 96 for my purposes. And we're going to move on. So we want to close that back up. That way we can see our whole page there. Now, right now we can see our whole page because it's in page view. But there are different views you could look in. There's scroll view, which puts it all on one line. And you could scroll through and see everything that you've done. Or, my personal favorite, studio view, which again lets you see everything just like scroll view. But you can change the volume right here of your instrument, your track, and you could change what the instrument sounds like. You could change the name, change the patch, you could change, it might say baritone sax, but you might want it to sound a little higher, so you can make it sound like a tenor sax, or a completely different instrument to begin with. So, you could choose your view. Now you're ready to start your project. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask or go back and look at some of these podcasts.